Coca-Cola was a master of promotion. They put their name on pretty much everything. There are collectors around the globe that collect Coca-Cola. Now, there are very early pieces here up to really probably the 2000s, collectible pieces. Coke to this day puts out promotional items. This was one gentleman's collection. He collected for many, many years. Now, life circumstances, he's asked us to market it to the world on his behalf. Well, there are a number of pieces in here that I've personally never seen before. There are early vending machines from 1915. There are a couple rather risque serving trays. I think there were only two pieces of Coca-Cola promotional material that featured nudity or partial nudity, and I could show you one of those. It's a little beat up, but it's a rare collectible Coca-Cola piece. I think every generation tends to collect their childhood, their nostalgia. Now, my grandfather in a small town Saskatchewan ran a co-op gas station and store. When I was a young guy, real small, I can remember going to visit my grandfather. He would take me to the vending machine they had back in the workshop. He'd open the machine up with a key and take out an ice cold, small bottle of Coke. We've got one of those machines here. So I've got an emotional response to that machine through my grandfather and memories of what those visits meant. Now, that doesn't mean that that'll have the same importance to everyone else, but everyone will have a story or a connection in that respect.